Getting all packed up, ready to go. You ready to go, kids? Woohoo!
Yeah!
Woohoo!
Yeah!
Righto, so we are so excited because we are just about ready and packed for our first trip away since the whole coronavirus thing. So it's literally been like 6 months. It's the maiden voyage to go camping. Maiden voyage for not only the rig, but our first trip away in our new swags that we bought in between the 2 different lockdowns. So we're really, really excited to get out, and yeah, can't wait.
Are we nearly there?
We're nearly about to leave.
Are we nearly at the campsite?
Yeah, nah.
No, we're still home.
We're still home.
Oh.
Yeah, real fast. So we're heading back towards Gippsland to where we grew up, and we're going to the Baw Baw National Park just over the Thompson Dam. So we're super excited and can't wait to get out there. Staring down. So we've just pulled into the campground that we're going to stay at tonight. It's called O'Toole's Campground. But because of all of Victoria has just come out of pretty much 6 months of lockdown, everything's pretty busy at the moment, but that's all right. The campground looks really nice, really flat, and it has a nice little creek that runs alongside it, so we're pretty excited to get started.
It's going to look so much better with the new wheels on it though.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy,
Yeah, buddy.
there's a bit more now. Whoa!
Is that nice? Were you? Yeah? good creek, buddy? Whee! Having fun there, mate?
Yeah. Look, my car is
Your
bogged.
car is bogged, isn't he?
I'll just pop up to make some dirt for me to use.
Oh, nice.
So I could get bogged.
Yeah? Hello. You didn't want to sleep with your brother, did you? First night in the new swags was super comfy. We did have a bit of a change in configuration though with the kids because Remy would not go back to sleep at midnight, but other than that, super comfy. Just on our way out of camp now to head home, but we've just stopped off at one of the little camp huts that are dotted around in the area. This one's called Lloyd's hut and they look really cool.
I've got his Wi-Fi password.
Yeah?
Too much traffic around here though.
Oh, yeah. So close to home.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Had a couple of big sessions in here.
Yeah, the only bad thing there is smart.
Yeah.
What do you reckon, mate?
It's quite dark in here.
Sure is.
What's Dad doing? Where's the singing?
Right there, mate.
Oh, what is filming?
I don't know, mate.
That
Okay.
Hello, little baby butterfly.
Who's that?
See?
Don't you want to go? We gotta go now, darling. We gotta go. Well, that's it for our first trip out after lockdown, and we're definitely itching to get out again.